if your lifan 2500 just shut off one day, one of the things it could be is the fuel injector. So it's held in by this O-ring and one bolt right here. It's a 3/16 wrench, hex wrench, that works. Then pull it out by wiggling it back and forth, and then hold it together and crank it, and you should be able to feel the injector going tick 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 tick. But if it's clogged, you won't be getting any fuel out of it, and that would be your problem. So get a new injector. I'll show you what it looks like. Well, do I have enough hands for this? So I gotta, yeah, it's probably gonna spray fuel all over my face. Oh, yeah.